Good day, my friend. How you doing? How is your day? Hope everything is going right. This is your man, the auto man, right back here with the Honda CRV 2009 model. Just trying to show you the timing of the car. When you see, just look straight to the camshaft. You can see the arrow and the point over here. You can see it there. See the point, see the arrow facing it. You will see another arrow here at the camshaft cap. You can see the arrow here. And move here also. The second, it's a twin camshaft. You can see the point at the second camshaft. So look at this here. You can see this mark facing the shoulder at the two camshaft here. You can see it. Yes, that is it. So when turning the engine, how did I get the timing without removing the cover or losing the number one plug? So let me explain to you further so you can do it easily. When you turn your engine there at the crankshaft at the pulley, you turn it 360. When you turn it round 360 degree, you will see, if you check the cover of your engine very well, you will see a mark here like arrow. From your pulley you will see three places mark. After you see one, you follow the one. When you follow the one at the back, this one, when you check your pulley you will see it clearly. You see the mark at the pulley. The mark will correspond with this. The color will correspond with the mark at the front cover. You see it there. When it's corresponding, that means you get your timing correctly, even without sheen color. Without the sheen color, you get your timing easily. So now let me remove the timing cover uh, and show you the inside of the engine at the crankshaft sprocket inside. Now I've removed my pulley. You can see the mark at the pulley. Let me show you clearly. See at the mark. See the mark at the pulley. The one with the white color is bigger than the rest. We are going with that one. You see it. As we go with the arrow here, you can see the arrow at the cover. Now let's go to the down sprocket. When you check it clearly, you can see the arrow there facing the shoulder. You can see. Let me take my screwdriver and show you. See it there. You can see the arrow. You can see the arrow there. That is the arrow. You can see them facing the shoulder. The one at the block engine and the one at the sprocket there. You can see them facing the shoulder. You can see this one here. This one at the block facing the one at the sprocket here. You can see the two facing the shoulder. At the crankshaft under, you can see them facing the shoulder. This and this facing the shoulder. That is the down one. So back to the top. Where's my camera now? See the camshaft. I see the other one still facing the shoulder. So this is the timing of 2009 Honda Civic timing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Share the video, like it. Love you all.